There's a huge amount of data in eating. What, when, with whom? It's all data. There's plenty of data around the fridge too. Once you pattern this data, you uncover things that you didn't know before.
A fridge is meant to keep the food fresh, but data shows that many people forget what they put inside the fridge. So we thought, what if the fridge could remember for you? That's how we came up with AI Vision Inside.
Developing an AI system that could recognize and manage the types of food items going in and out of a refrigerator was not easy. We had to train it extensively to recognize selected ingredients. Finally, the fridge can spot grapes, broccoli, and expiration dates can also be tracked. And as more data connects,
AI Vision Inside will become a truly remarkable feature. With ingredients on file, you can also get recipe recommendations based off of what you have on hand, making the question, what should we have for dinner, much easier.
Voice recognition in refrigerators became possible thanks to AI. Imagine cooking with your hands full. Now you can just say,
"Hi Bixby, open the fridge door."
And the door opens. A fridge is something the whole family uses together. Still, we wanted it to feel personal. That's why we developed Voice ID, which recognizes individual voices and displays tailored information on the screen. We will continue to improve and refine the refrigerator's voice recognition feature.
As we taught the fridge to remember with AI, we also worked on helping it save energy. We looked at when people open the fridge, how many times a day, and whether it's day or night, and used that data to predict energy consumption and reduce energy use. As part of this, our long-term project on next-generation Peltier technology was recognized as a winner at the 2025 R&D 100 Awards. AI hybrid cooling combines Peltier modules and compressors, using them separately or together as needed. It learns from customer lifestyles, turns those patterns into data, and reduces unnecessary energy use, which helps use refrigerators for a longer period of time.
AI made our fridges smart, so we wanted the design to match, ideally fitting into kitchen. That's zero clearance fit, something consumers have long wanted. Installed with precision, tailored with the kitchen space. Effortless door movement with a more spacious interior. On top of convenience, the durability and core performance of a refrigerator had to be just right. It's more than just slimming the doors. The whole team poured incredible effort into this, which made zero clearance fit possible. With the food showcase, we boosted capacity without sacrificing performance. We are constantly listening to our consumers to go beyond limits.
Beyond limits, crafting experiences like never before.
Enabling better living. Samsung Bespoke AI Refrigerator.